Hello everyone, and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel, where we dive into the latest safety results from Euro NCAP crash tests. Today, we're comparing the 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class and the 2024 BMW 3 Series based on their Euro NCAP crash test results, two of the most competitive vehicles in the luxury sedan market. Let's dive into their safety features and performance in these rigorous tests to help you decide which one offers better crash protection. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class performed impressively during the Euro NCAP tests. In the frontal offset test, the C-Class's passenger compartment remained stable, providing good protection to the knees and femurs of both the driver and passenger. Mercedes-Benz demonstrated that occupants of various sizes and seating positions would receive the same level of protection. However, in frontal collisions, the car was found to be a moderately benign impact partner, meaning it transfers less impact force to the other vehicle involved in the crash. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the C-Class provided excellent protection to the driver and rear passenger, scoring maximum points. Side impact tests, including the side barrier and the more severe pole impact tests, also revealed that the car provides good protection to all critical body areas, again scoring maximum points. However, there was a slight downside in the occupant-to-occupant injury assessment. Although the car has countermeasures to reduce injuries when hit from the far side, Mercedes-Benz could not demonstrate that the side airbag offers symmetrical protection, i.e., equal protection from both sides, which led to a minor penalty. On the bright side, the front seats and head restraints showed good protection against whiplash injuries in rear-end collisions. The C-Class also comes with advanced tech, including an e-call system that alerts emergency services in the event of a crash, and a system that applies the brakes after a collision to prevent secondary impacts. The 2024 BMW 3 Series also performed well in the Euro NCAP tests. Its passenger compartment remained stable during the frontal offset test, similar to the C-Class, offering good protection to the knees and femurs of both the driver and passenger. BMW demonstrated that it would provide similar protection to occupants of various sizes and seating positions. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the protection was rated good or adequate for all critical body areas of both the driver and rear passenger. The BMW 3 Series, like the C-Class, also scored maximum points in both the side barrier and pole impact tests, showing excellent protection across the board for critical body regions. Whiplash protection was another strong area for the 3 Series. Both the front seats and head restraints showed good protection against whiplash in the event of a rear-end collision, similar to the C-Class. The rear seats also scored well in a geometric assessment of whiplash protection. An additional highlight for the BMW 3 Series is its autonomous emergency braking (AEB) system, which scored maximum points during city driving speed tests. The AEB system was able to avoid collisions in all tested scenarios, making it particularly strong in this area. Both the Mercedes-Benz C-Class and BMW 3 Series are top performers in the Euro NCAP safety assessments, offering solid protection across various crash scenarios. The C-Class shines in side impact protection and comes with innovative post-collision braking systems, while the 3 Series stands out for its exceptional autonomous emergency braking performance. When it comes to overall crash safety, you can't go wrong with either, but each has slight differences in specific areas. Which crash test would you like us to compare next? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest crash tests, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.